have seen them grow, fluttering and swaying every time the winds blow. Indeed, flowers bring diamonds to our sight. Mother Nature fills our hearts with an enormous delight. I have noticed everything, from vast oceans to deep seas, from lovely flowers to tall trees, the lakes, the falls and the river, the mountains and the hills remain wonderful until forever. I have enjoyed watching the birds landing from tree to tree. The sun, the moon and the stars seem to talk to me. I have seen them all. I have noticed everything. Until one day when I opened my eyes, I see them no more. Until one day when I looked at the sea, the trash has choked the shore. Until one day when I turned around, the forests were no longer to be found. Until one day instead of tall trees, tall buildings are built. Until one day, people destruct Mother Nature without any guilt. What happened to our trees? To all the animals, the butterflies and the bees? Will they all be gone because of our greed and callousness? Believe me, this will never lead us to happiness. Imagine what will happen to our air. If waste and pollution are seen everywhere, will we be able to feel the pleasant breeze? Or continue to give ourselves a man-made disease? What happened to our rivers? What happened to our sea? They are now gradually ruined. Why can't we see? Will we continue to fill Mother Nature with dirt? Or turn our mistakes into wisdom so she will not be hurt?